Hello, welcome back to my sewing room. My name is Robyn and I do sewing and crafting tutorials. But today is Friday Sews, the hashtag Friday Sews that a lot of other sewing YouTubers participate in. It was created by Jen at Today in Jen's Sewing Room, and I will put a link to her channel in the description box. And so after this, if you go to YouTube search and type in hashtag Friday Sews, you can see all the other YouTubers out there that are sewing and telling you what they've been doing. So let's get started. Well, happy Friday, everyone. Today I'm wearing my pin tuck dress. If you remember when I made this, I just love my pin tuck dress. It has nice big pin tucks, so it creates these nice little pleats. And then I added these pockets myself. So that's what I'm wearing today. It's a pin tuck dress, and I did the burrito method, and I lined it, fully lined this dress. So just wanted to share what I was wearing. And recently I went to Dollar General, and they had the most beautiful spring dish towels. I got pot holder. Isn't that cute? They were only $1. And I got the matching towels, and they were $1. Aren't they pretty? I needed some new towels for my kitchen, so I'm sewing them. I attached the towels to the pot holder, and I have a video on my channel teaching you how I do this. I have a really quick and easy way of how I attach these towels to the pot holder. So I'm making these for my kitchen. Aren't they pretty? So it's for $2. I have a nice towel. I just have to add the button right here, and then this will come over and clip around the button. So that's all I have left to do on that. I've made several of these. That one says plant good thoughts. This one is be kind and be happy. I did that one. And I did just the plain floral, which is so pretty. And I just love this pink. It's so pretty. So I'll go sit and watch some good YouTube videos and sew on those buttons later. And then I also did I got these pinned ready to sew. Together is my favorite place to be. I love these. So I'm making these because, you know, my favorite colors are aqua and pink. So I was happy to find those and get those sewed up. So that's what I've been working on there. And I recently just made a baby doll blanket out of this Minky fabric. And I just uploaded a tutorial on how to do this. And you won't believe how I made this. Because, you know, sewing Minky can be really tricky. But I have a whole list of tips and tricks you can download from the video I just uploaded the other day on how to sew with Minky. And I used Glad Press and Seal. I used no pins or clips or anything, and I made the baby doll blanket, and I made a bigger baby blanket for my future granddaughter. So I'll put a link in my description box to this video if you want to see how I made this Minky baby blanket using press and seal instead of pins or clips. Check it out. You will love it. And what I'm getting ready to work on is my favorite apron started getting a hole in it. I'm so sad because this is my favorite apron for cooking, and it's got a little hole right here. So I found a piece of scrap fabric left over, and I'm going to try to patch that with a little heart or something, because I love this apron. I got to get out and find me some more pretty cotton fabric to make some more aprons, because I love my aprons. And coming up soon, I'm hoping to turn this fabric in this beautiful watercolor fabric into another pin tuck dress like the one I'm wearing, because I love these, and with the pockets and the pleats, that's just so comfortable and flattering, and I love this fabric. I can't wait to make this into a dress soon. So that'll be coming up soon. And let's see. And also coming up, I'm going to use the leftover flannel from the baby blanket and this like terry cloth, and I'm going to turn this into some baby burp cloths for my future granddaughter. And I will do a tutorial on how I make these burp cloths, because my daughter-in-law really loves the ones I make because they're bigger than the ones you buy in the store. And they're really absorbent with the terry cloth and the flannel. And they wash up real nice. So those are some things coming in the future. And a little bit about life. I don't know if you noticed, I hadn't made a video in 2 weeks before the one I just made the other day, because I was out with the Omicron. My husband tested positive for COVID, and then 2 days later I got it. So we were quarantined for the last almost 2 weeks, and he was better in like 3 days, and it took me the whole 14 days before I felt better, and I'm still weak, but I feel so much better. It didn't hit us that hard, thankfully. We just stayed home and took care of each other. So I'm glad to be back and having some energy and feeling much better. So I've missed all you guys, and I was able to watch, but I wasn't able to film. So, and in the meantime, in those 2 weeks, I hit over 500 subscribers. Yay! Thank you, all of you that subscribe to my channel. I'm so excited, and I'm just so excited for the future and all the videos I'm gonna make. I have all these ideas, and I can't wait to make them for you guys. So I appreciate all your comments and all of you subscribing. If you like my videos, check out this video right here. You're gonna love it. Thank you for watching today. Have a so blessed day. Bye for now.